long for that kind of talk to be more than a thought. If you were the stars and if I was the sky, I'd be jealous just to see you fill another's lonely night. So I'm sending you a message through a broken satellite. I love you, I love you, I love you. Sundown to sunrise.
Jelly. Come on. Go up there.
Sundown
Go up
to
there to your brother.
sunrise.
Here we are, morning, day one, way to the Bahamas. See our buddy boat way up there. They beat us. It wasn't too bad in the very beginning. Look at this sunrise. Oh my gosh.
Take it closer and see those teeth. Can't knock him out.
Look at this. Far as the eye can see, it's turquoise. Motoring. Got my stay sail up. Super light wind. Looking forward to going to anchor and relaxing.
Hi.
On our way to the Abaco. Good morning, everybody. It's our first real morning on anchor in the Bahamas. We're just checking the weather to make sure we can continue south on our way to Green Turtle Cay to check in. The weather was supposed to get nasty Monday, which it's Monday, and it's not horrible, but it's not the best. So we're gonna listen to Chris Parker and make a decision. Here we are. We're sailing. I got Noah and Stacy out. Here's our. We got 22 knots of wind. We're going 6.3 knots. Just along. We'll get past this island here, and we can cut south. Start heading towards our destination. The tail end of the sunrise over here. It is beautiful out. We're going 7.5 to 8 knots, 18 knots of wind, beam reach. That's great. The waves have come down a lot. So we are sailing almost completely downwind, 6 to 9 knots. Like 5.5, 6.5 knots. It's beautiful out though. Really beautiful. Following our friends Corey Dale on the high flight. Check out how freaking gorgeous this water is. have this wave of relief after everything that we worked for.
Oh yeah. Get to wear my island hat.
Here we are, we're doing a little wing on wing. We're doing about 4.5 to 5.5 knots, completely downwind. It's a good day. We missed sunset by like 15 minutes, but here we are. Too bad we can't go to shore yet, but tomorrow's the day and we go check in. Day 5 of our COVID test, and we will be free, tucked away. Wind cooled down a lot. It's supposed to get even calmer, so excited.
Just go ahead and take a quick look around what we're at.
We'll say private if it's private.
Okay, so we need one that says not private, right?
It won't say anything.
I didn't have the camera out earlier when I should have, because we are trying to get better at that, but there was some wrecked boats, so I'm guessing maybe from a previous hurricane and whatnot, on shore, and some messed up docks. But you can see them rebuilding and building new structures as well. So look at all this. So unfortunately, because I don't have a mount, I won't be able to hold the camera and pick up a mooring ball. So we're gonna let you guys go pretty soon, and then pick up again when we get ourselves on the dinghy. All right, bye. This is what happens when you have dirty carbs. Your engine dies 20 feet from your boat and you start rowing, but then a nice fellow cruiser is towing us into shore. Our day should hopefully be looking up from here on out. We'll see. But we're gonna go get ourselves checked in, get everybody Bahama legal, and get ourselves a drink after this. So we are on our way. Brian is with our friends Corey and Dale. They're probably at shore being like, what the heck? Where are you people?
I see them. They're on dock.
They are on the dock. No, you found a whistle?
I'm with flying with.
Alright, we gotta go. We gotta get us all off the boats and stuff like that. Get everybody masked up, so we'll catch up with you in a bit.
I can always get them open if I have to.
Alright, it's official. Cheers.
Let's go this way, Brian. No, let's go.
That's good.
So it's different?
That's really good.
Yours are
Yeah,
black and...
it's stronger.
Wait, yours is... Are they all color?
We just switched.
Oh, I thought they were different labels.
No.
They are
Yeah,
different
they are.
labels. One's a
That
gold.
one's stronger. Try it. I like that one.
Yeah, I think gold they'll usually charge
It has like a...
a little more, but
And you have...
not everyone has gold.
And this you can buy in the States, but that one you cannot buy in the
Waiting a long time to get another one of these.
It tastes pretty damn good. Our captain is Brian this afternoon, taking us to shore. We're gonna go to our first beach. The doggy? He's got a doggy on board as his first mate. Null is just one of the crew. We got Brian is the captain, and Daddy can be the first mate. Look at his puppy. Puppy.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the motion, loving this devotion.
Hey, Brian, I thought you were looking for seashells.
Here. Put your mouth against that.
Yum, 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 yum.
You're a pretty princess.